Hola, me llamo Natalia. Welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 1 from the Spanish for Beginners course. In this lesson, you will learn how to greet and respond to common greetings. Let's begin. To greet someone in Spanish, you say, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Which means, hello, how are you? This is one of the most common ways to greet someone in Spanish. Asking someone how they are is very common in the Hispanic culture. However, polite doesn't always mean formal. This simple question can be used with literally everyone, including friends, family, colleagues, as well as strangers. How, ¿cómo, are you, estás? Estás means you are. However, in this case, you won't see a matching word for you. And that is because in Spanish, you do not need a personal pronoun in order to conjugate a verb. Now that you've got a glimpse on how Spanish works, let's jump into our first speaking practice. I'll go first and then you repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Awesome, let's do it one more time. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Great, let's continue with our lesson.